बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। जैसा कि आपको पता है, हमने चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर 10th क्लास इंग्लिश का लेसन नंबर 2 की ट्रांसलेशन कंप्लीट कर ली है। आज हम उसके क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे, रीडिंग क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे, जिसमें पहला क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, व्हेन डज चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट। तो चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर स्टार्ट्स बिटवीन जनवरी 21 एंड February 20th। Second question है, why do Chinese family do thorough cleaning of their houses before New Year's Day? Chinese families do thorough cleaning of their houses before New Year's Day to clear out any bad luck from the previous year and to make the house ready to accept good luck for coming year. Third question है, which color is not allowed and which color is encouraged on Chinese New Year? Why? Wearing black is not allowed due to its association with death. However, wearing red is encouraged as the color is associated with warding of bad spirits. स्याह रंग की मौत के साथ वाबस्तगी होती है, जिसकी वजह से पहनने की इजाज़त नहीं होती। सुर्ख रंग पहनने की हौसला अफजाई की जाती है, क्योंकि ये बदरूहों को टालने से वाबस्ता होता है। What do decoration on doors and windows symbolize? The decoration on doors and windows symbolize the coming of spring and a new beginning with luck and happiness. Fifth question है, what is the significance of New Year's Eve dinner? The New Year's Eve dinner has great significance. It is typical for Chinese families to make 8 to 9 dishes for the New Year's Eve dinner, because in Chinese language the word 8 means prosperity and the word 9 means long lasting. Sixth question है, what do the letter red in envelopes filled with money symbolize? The letter red in envelopes filled with money symbolize wealth and prosperity for the coming year. What is the importance of Chinese New Year for Chinese families? The Chinese New Year is very important for Chinese families because it is a time when the families should come together in order to give thanks for the year that has passed and reinvigorate themselves for the coming year. तो ये थे हमारे एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। जैसा कि हमने एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस पढ़ लिए हैं चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर लेसन नंबर 2 के, आज हम उसकी रीडिंग क्वेश्चंस पढ़ेंगे। ब्लॉक क्वेश्चन से कहा जाता है। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई इज़ चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर नेवर ऑन द सेम डे ईच ईयर? चीनियों का नया साल हर साल कभी भी एक ही दिन क्यों नहीं आता? Since the lunar calendar is based on the phases of the moon, which has a shorter cycle than the sun, that is why Chinese New Year is never on the same day each year. What is Chinese belief about cleaning houses before New Year Day? Chinese families thoroughly clean their houses before New Year Day because they believe it will clear out any bad luck from the previous year. It will also make house ready to accept good luck for the coming year. Third question है, why does this dinner consist of 8 or 9 dishes? It is typical for a Chinese family to make 8 to 9 dishes for the New Year's Eve dinner, because in Chinese language the word 8 means prosperity and the word 9 means long lasting. Last question is, Chinese belief about people having character traits of animals, a fact or an opinion? The Chinese belief about people having character traits of animal is not a fact. It is only an opinion because there is no concrete evidence regarding this belief.